I can see it.
I see it.
I don't think the iPad can.
Yeah.
I see it.
That storm?
You see it?
Yeah. Wow, it opened up nicely.
Oh, that's gonna be a nightmare.
I'm gonna try to catch it.
I can't see it.
Right there.
Where?
It's gonna be going.
Where is it?
For a little while. That's gonna go in the pool, man.
It's coming back.
Where did it go? Oh! I see it. Oh, I see it.
Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. Watch.
No, crossing the street, Dawn. Leave it. No, guys. Bet it later.
Is that going to go in the pool?
No, but it's gonna go over the fence.
Everybody's like, why is there
And it landed right in front of Sam.
All right.